This AIO is one of the best performing AIOs around, and it's very popular because of that. It's the Arctic Liquid Freezer 2 360mm AIO, and it comes in a few different fashions. This one is the A-RGB variant, and we're gonna do an unboxing here. So when you open it up, this is somewhat what it looks like. Typically, I just start yanking things out. Let's put this aside for now. So AIOs try to be as compatible as possible. So you're gonna get a baggie like this with a lot of different brackets and stuff and screws and even some thermal paste. This is the older MX5 thermal paste. Throw that out. It's been, it's end of life. That's the new MX6. That's the new hotness or coolness, actually. Gotta make sure I find that. And then just kind of different brackets. So make sure you read the manuals to understand which bracket goes to like AM4, AM5, Intel processors. It's very versatile, so that's gonna help you out. So let's shove this aside right here and get some product placement. Wait, it's backwards. There you go, product placement. Don't lose the washers. And then what we have right here is the actual cold plate. There we go. So then we can slide this off. So this is what many refer to as the Batmobile. So it does have a nice little fan right here to help somewhat, in theory, cool the VRMs. Not really necessary these days for a lot of motherboards because they have ample VRM cooling. But you do want to make sure you peel this off. It does not include thermal paste pre-applied. I actually hate it when AIOs or air coolers include thermal paste on here because I always like to use my own. I don't want it on there. And then this is the big boy, the 360mm AIO with screws apparently. And yeah, so it's pretty thick, thicker than most standard AIOs that you may see from say like NZXT or even Asus. Their AIO is much thinner than this. When it comes to AIOs, it's all about surface area for the most part. The more surface area you have with the radiator, the better the cooling capacity you actually will have. One nice thing about this AIO is the fan daisy chain feature. So all these fans are actually connected. They are A-RGB fans as well. So basically it's just one cable to rule them all, which is so nice. So minimal cable management is actually needed for this. Yeah, you're not gonna be installing GIFs or GIFs on here. I don't care what you say, GIF or GIF, blah. So what are your thoughts on the Liquid Freezer 2 360 A-RGB AIO? I love this style. It's one of my favorite AIOs around. Yes, I am a partner with Arctic, but long before I became a partner of Arctic, I've been kind of promoting their stuff because I like it so much.